Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your professional Instagram account into personal Instagram account. So let's get started. First of all, you just have to tap on your profile icon which is down below on right side. So just tap on your profile icon. After tapping on it, now you can see here is my account and it is professional account. So you want to change it to personal account. So just you have to tap on top right corner of options. After tapping on it, just tap on setting and privacy. Now you have to just search for creator tools and control, or here it is. After tapping on it, you just have to tap on switch account type. Now you have to just tap on switch to personal account. After tapping on this, tap on switch to personal account. And that's it guys. Your professional account is now converted into personal Instagram account. So I hope you find it well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.